Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you're in the right place. Open Finder and navigate to Applications or the folder with the icon. Once located, click the icon once to select it. This makes sure you'll act on the correct item. If the icon is an alias, look for the curved arrow badge. Removing an alias won't delete the original. Make sure you have administrator access if deleting an app. Now you're ready to perform the first deletion action using keyboard or contextual menu. With the item selected, press Command-Delete to send it to trash. That's fast and reversible. Alternatively, right-click the icon and choose Move to Trash if you prefer menu confirmation. If the app came from the App Store, open Launchpad, click and hold until icons jiggle, then click the X to uninstall. This removes sandboxed apps cleanly. Make sure any running app is closed, otherwise Mac OS may prompt you to force quit. Once moved, trash still holds the file until you empty it. To permanently remove the icon, choose Finder Empty Trash or press Shift-Command-Delete and confirm. This frees disk space and removes the icon from view. If Mac OS refuses to delete because an app is running, quit it or check Activity Monitor and force quit the process. For stubborn system-protected items, avoid casual removal. Use Launchpad for App Store apps or a trusted uninstaller. If you must use terminal, be careful. Sudo rm can erase critical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.